engine. Especially we have the first section view of jet engine. This consists of inlet, compressor chamber, combustion chamber, turbine and nozzle. Here we have the parts, and based on your past understanding, you can explain this part.
So you can see this part. This part is known as the diffuser. This diffuses the incoming air to the compressor. Then the compressor has two type of parts. That is rotary fins and stator fins, in which the rotary fins rotate while the engine is operating, and the stator fins inside will remain static. So in this body view, we can understand that there is a 3-chamber of compressor, and the initial diameter of the compressor is larger and the final diameter of the compressor is shorter, which in turn increases the velocity according to the Bernoulli's principle. As the area reduces, the velocity of the fluid increases. This is the principle how this compressor works. Compresses the air into a high pressure gas and letting it into the combustion chamber.
This is a combustion chamber. This type of the combustion chamber is made up of their can type and annular type of the turbine combustion chambers are used, which the air is compressed from the compressor pot directly comes into the combustion chamber, which it is highly under pressured. When the fuel is directly mixed with the engine combustion chamber, and the igniter spark the spark, which it starts to burn and then exhaust.
So according to the material, we can divide this into the two parts. This is low temperature material can be used because there will be no high temperature applied to this part of the jet engine, and this last part of the engine undergoes high temperature and pressure, so they need like high temperature material like steel and other materials to withstand the pressure.
Here, turbine section for two sector, rotor and stator. Blade is rotated turbine section. Because turbine blades one by one exert the gas first to produce high temperature, and total aircraft the engine exerts the gas high temperature.
This is the fuel intake pipe. The fuel is injected into the combustion chamber through this pipe, and the compressed air is mixed with the fuel, and it is injected into the combustion chamber. Then the combustion chamber combusts. And engine is a type of combustion aircraft. The aircraft shooting out of engine.
Compression chamber, the flame tube, two layer, annular and planar, and two chambers for only the exhaust gas. Except the first high pressure the turbine blade.
So we can continue from this model of the turbojet engine. Previously we have seen this turbine, so we will take a look at the inside part of the exhaust. So in this part there is a series of pipe with injectors, so we can guess that this is the afterburner. So afterburners used to increase the thrust, which is increased in the process of thrust augmentation. In this process, this nozzle will spray the additional fuel to the hot air exhaust gas, and then they will ignite it for the thrust to be provided in the engine.
So this mid-21, jet engine is very operating very high speed aircrafts like supersonic speed. So the main design criteria in these engines depends upon the material selection for the combustion chamber as well as the turbine section. So this research is in the future scope. So next part we will discuss about the other type of engines and its applications. Student interaction, their understanding. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.